Hey, it's Chris with Paragon Inspection. I put a lot of videos out there about the residential inspections we do in subdivisions and out in rural settings, but you as our clients also need to know that we can handle anything in the city. So what we're looking at today is a condo inspection, and some components, but not all of the condo inspection, can be more related to a commercial inspection than your typical residential type construction. So an example of that is going to be this membrane type roofing. And a lot of times the HOA associated with your condo is responsible for this, but it's still not a bad idea to have somebody up here to give you a general idea of how it's being maintained. But something that we are able to look at for our clients in these condo inspections are the AC units. And so we make every effort with the building owners to get up here and look at this equipment. And this is an example of why. You'll see that all these units up here are installed for the most part nice and straight, except for this one, except for the one serving our unit. So some of the straps have broke on the other side, other corner. This thing has twisted, and what we don't want to happen is this thing cycles on and off is for it eventually to twist off this platform and lay on its side. That would certainly cause some damage, and so easier to fix that now than when that happens later. And you know, we love doing this kind of stuff for you guys, so give us a shout when we can be of service to you, and have a great day. Bye-bye.